Come with me for my first time at IKEA. I am at the IKEA in Atlanta. We're about to look around. It's my first time being here. I always see other YouTubers talking about it. And I come to Atlanta a lot, but I never come to IKEA, so we're gonna look around. Okay. Rooms by I like this kitchen setup. I didn't want to get the video. This is my style right here. It is. I think that'll be cute for the spring. I know, right? This is gorgeous. I know, right? If you want an apartment that look like this, you might as well buy a house. You get an apartment look like this. I like this. I love this. You put your KitchenAid stuff on here, roll it out, roll it back in. We are in the kitchen area now, looking at the dining room tables and stuff. Oh, I love this right here, Mom. I like them clear chairs. You can put something right like this in your kitchen.
That's all I need is that.
You've been looking for one.
This and 2 chairs.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure you can get 2 chairs to go with it. It's kind of expensive though.
2 chairs, that's all. That's all I need. Made them $200.
Nope. That's expensive to me though, compared to a 4-table chair set. I want me some faux plants to go in my room with my apartment in general. Jay want me to get another chair to go with that vanity set. Cause you know I got that little cheap one from Walmart, and it's too little. It broke and all kinds of stuff. Office chairs, hot though. I'll take something like this. This $60, but that ain't bad. Probably should invest in me something like that. Can you see Kinsley in one of these? Little kids chairs. Let me see. See, this the kind of stuff I be looking for online. They be here.
That's for jewelry.
I know.
So you need something like this on a walk-in closet.
I do. I be seeing what people be buying stuff like this and putting it in their walk-in closets.
That's what I'm talking about.
And here. Now we are in the pots and pans. I'm gonna look for me a boiler because I was saying that I needed to get me another one. So I'm gonna look for one now. If I can find one. And I found a nice little cute set. Let's see how much this is. Don't see a price for them. This is a set of 3 months for $17.99.
I didn't pay.
That was really all I needed from over there. So, yeah. Love the martini glass. So give me a lemon drop.
I hate driving through this area. It's so dark and there's a place to breathe.
I wish they had boxes of them though. And I don't see any. You know the ones like what they be having in Mexican restaurants, girl.
Oh. It's where I sit.
At least you know that if you ever trying to find something, it's here. Now we just left out of the bedroom stuff. Now we looking at some dressers. Show y'all the dresses we looking at. I like this right here too, Mom. Mom, look at this dress. This would be something nice to go in your room too. In that room. It's $219.
It ain't bad.
And then they deep.
Yep.
You can fit my stuff in one drawer. Then do Kinsley in one, Mason in another.
Yep.
I like these organizers for the drawer too.
Yep. I do too.
I need that for my undergarment drawer. Here go a set right here. Oh, these ain't bad either. You see it, box set, $6.99. Set of 6. I'm finna get it. I'm gonna get 2. So I can get one for J room too. I mean J stuff too. I'm hollering J room. I won't share room.
Try to see if I want to get one for Ken's and Mason.
You wanted one?
I'm gonna get 2.
All right. We are about to make our way downstairs, I guess, to another area. Oh, I just bought one of those out of Target for $5. It was in the bullseye section. The little shoe tray. Huh?
Is that the one in your back seat?
Yeah, I bought it so when Jay go back to the other job, he can put his shoes on there so that grass can be tracking through the apartment. See, I like those. That'll be cute for a walk-in closet too. Oh, look at the little girl room.
That's cute.
It is.
I like that bed.
I do too.
Can't believe that now.
That's $129. I love that it's like a toddler bed, but at the same time it's big, like a little full size bed. We can go look at it so we can go back and find it. Show it to Maya. Look, you need these too, Mom. For them markers and paint. And I need this for the daycare. This a cute baby bed, Mom. Y'all gonna look up and be like, I'm on IKEA website. I'm getting this from IKEA. I'm getting that from IKEA. We had these at the daycare too for when we feeding the babies or they learning how to feed themselves. Them mats look a lot cuter than when I was in school. You know, some chalk for my niece's easel. And we got these storage bins for her stuff to go in. We got the aprons I've been looking for. Look, see how they like, yeah. They got everything in here for Kinsley. Ask Kinsley why I'm in Atlanta shopping for. Look at the kids section. Blue, yellow, and red.
Blue, yeah.
This stuff is cute in here. Look at the little kids' tables. It's a nice mirror. Girl, you can do your whole house in IKEA.
If I don't purchase a house, I'm definitely not afraid.
Look at this bathroom. Sit up. And you can purchase all this stuff here. You can actually buy.
And I thought,
They got black tissue.
Oh, Lord.
you said they got black tissue.
Yeah, you see. We are about to check out, and we're gonna be heading back to Birmingham.